to make a cotton duck or a cotton chick, you would need cotton, construction paper, peppercorns, and glue. First, to make the cotton chick and the cotton duck, you'll glue 2 pieces of cotton together. Now you can set these aside, and while they're drying, we can make the feet. To show you how I made the feet, I'm going to do it bigger so that you can see it. What I did was cut a big triangle like this. And to make the toes, I drew other triangles inside like this. Then I cut it out and glued them together. So I'm going to make 2 little ones now, the correct size for the chick. A triangle. The smaller triangles inside, and then I'm just going to cut it out. By doubling the paper, I cut 2 out just alike, and I cut them both at the same time. You don't have to do that. You can always make one and then trace it. Now, to make the toes, you want to glue them together like this. Get that bent. Then set the cotton ball on top. These are very easy to make. Now, to make the eyes, I just put a little dot of glue here and a little dot of glue there. And I've used peppercorns. If you don't want to use peppercorns, you can take your hole puncher and use construction paper and cut out 2 little round eyes. Now to make the beak, I'm going to show you on a larger piece of paper how I made the beak. I used the fold right here, and I made a triangle like this. Cut the triangle out. Then the beak opens. When you glue the beak onto the cotton, you want to put the glue right along this edge and then glue it on. So now I'm going to make one the right size. I'm going to fold the paper. Remember that you want to make the flat side of the triangle where the fold is. So you're just going to draw the triangle like this and cut it out. Put the glue on the edge. And then hold it just for a second, and you've made your beak for your chick. Now, the duck is made the same kind of way. You're going to start with 2 cotton balls, and you're going to start with a triangle for the foot. And again, I'm going to draw it larger so you can see what I've done. To make the duck's foot, you want to make a triangle. But instead of making a triangle inside, since the duck has web feet, you're going to make a curve up and then another curve around. And this makes it look more like a web foot. Then you cut it out. Again, you can cut them both out, or you can cut one and trace it. Then glue the feet together. With the cotton balls on top. Then we want to put 2 little spots of glue for the eyes. And again, we're putting the peppercorn on. Now, to make the beak, we want to make it again on the fold. And I'm going to make a larger one so you can see what I'm doing. Going to fold the paper. And this time, instead of making a triangle, we're making a large curve. And again, I made the straight part on the fold because that's where we're going to put the glue. So I'm going to cut out a smaller one. I'm going to fold the paper. And again, I'm going to make the straight part where the fold is. And this is just like a long upside down U. I'm going to cut it out. It opens up. That's the little beak, and we're putting the glue right on the edge. And we've made our little duck.